Hey there, folks, and welcome back to another edition of Talk Tuesday, where I go live here on social media to bring you expert advice to help you have a better business and a better life. And today, do I have a tasty treat for you? If you are an entrepreneur, you're making a big impact in not only your life, but the lives of the clients that you serve. And if you are also that same entrepreneur who likes to up-level their game on a continuous basis so you can always provide that top-notch service to your clients, well, then you are in the right place. Because today I have 8, count them, 8 amazing marketing professionals, and we are here to bring you the tastiest little treat. And I can't wait to share this with you. So Carolyn, I'm going to kick it right off. Let's bring you some awesome expert marketing advice.
Absolutely. Thank you, Kim. We are so excited about this event. It is our marketing buffet at the Grand Connection. This is going to be the most extraordinary event that we've done to date. I'm just looking at all these people here and the wisdom that they are going to bring you. This is years and years of tasty, snackable treats that you're going to have an opportunity to learn from. And these experts are going to serve you their secret marketing recipes for success. So we have 5 rich courses along this marketing journey with these snackable tastes and savory flavors. So I am going to start with Susan Jarima, my co-partner at the Grand Connection. And she is such a marketing wizard. And Susan, what are you going to focus on at the event?
I got a few sections. One of them is going to be on strategy versus tactics. That's so important because without the right strategy, it's like shooting darts blindfolded. So our team here is going to be getting us all of the clarity we need, and then we're going to move into some tactics so that we can have a good plan for our marketing. Very exciting.
Excellent. Thank you. So the hors d'oeuvres, the first hors d'oeuvre is focused on clarity. How important is clarity? I'm going to start off with looking at your vision, your direction, that it's your anchor for your business to design your marketing strategies, to spend your time, your money, and your effort on marketing. And our first marketing expert is Diana Lidstone. And she's all the way from Ontario. And she is a true marketing leader in our space for more than 35 years. Diana, we're so glad you're here. Can you share with us some of your nuggets that you're going to focus on at the event?
Well, thank you guys for having me. It's so thrilling to be here with you. And, you know, I'm all about helping people get noticed, get clients, and get profitable. So how do you get noticed? Well, the thing is, if you don't have their attention, you don't have their business. And so we're going to talk about how you can get their attention, how you can be a little different than somebody else. And so that's what I'm going to share in my snackable bits. So thank you guys for having me.
Awesome. Thanks, Diana. The next piece that we're going to go into is the appetizer section. And this is really about branding and content. And the expert that's going to share with us is Val Lowe. She's going to focus on the concept of branding. So Val is all the way from Pemberton. And Val, can you share with us just a nugget or a piece that you're going to focus on at the event?
Well, Carolyn, if anyone thought a brand is just about the logo, then they need to come to this event. I've recently worked with a client to discover her brand personality, and from it, she has created a clear and strong brand that is attracting clients. My tip today is make sure your brand is consistent across all your platforms, from website to social media to presentations to email signature to headshots, print material, and online promotions. It will make you stand out in the marketplace.
Wonderful. Thank you, Val. Okay, our next expert, oh my goodness, Bonnie Chimika. She's from Vancouver Island and she spent over 30 years in marketing communications, people. So she brings tons of expertise and her focus is going to be on content marketing. So Bonnie, welcome. What can you share with us? Just give us a little tip.
Thank you, Carolyn. I'm going to ride on Diana's information a little bit because content marketing is a way to get visible, but more importantly, it builds credibility. So you earn that know, like, and trust factor that we all need to get clients, especially online. So lots of people start blogs or newsletters or maybe live streaming, but they don't continue. They peter out and therefore they become invisible. So I'm going to show you how you can be much more consistent and get that exposure and authority that you crave.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So the next course is our main course, and it's really about marketing tools. And Kimberly Day, right beside me here, is going to focus on the tools with the marketing. So Kim, can you give us a taste of that?
And just like everybody's saying, it's all about creating, up-leveling your branding, your visibility, your credibility in front of your audience. And how do you do that? You do that with excellent tools that make your marketing easier for you. So I'm going to talk all about Canva and how to use it to create lead magnets and marketing materials that pop right out into your target market audience, and how to use things like StreamYard, like what we're on today, to up-level your live streaming so you can attract those perfect, ideal clients into your business like a magnet.
Awesome. Thanks. And for dessert, visibility. And Janice Porter is here. Oh my goodness. She is from Vancouver, and she is a true relationships marketing specialist and a LinkedIn trainer. Janice, we are so glad you're joining us. Can you share with us a little bit about what you're going to focus on at our marketing buffet?
Thanks, Carolyn. I'm excited to be part of this group and the event. So for me, it's about, if you're in business, you're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you need to be on the business platform and do all of these things that all these people were talking about. And that is LinkedIn. And I'm going to show you some ways that you can level up that LinkedIn presence. And part of it, of course, is to be consistent and know what you're doing so that you are attracting the people that you want to attract.
Wonderful. Thank you. And I'm also going to invite Mr. Robert Butwin. He is honestly a connector of connectors. He is a networking wizard, and he specializes in networking and Clubhouse. So Robert, welcome. You're all the way from Santa Ana, California. So share with us what you're going to focus on.
A famous marketer, Gary Halbert, used to say, if you want to catch fish, you go where the hungry fish are feeding. The hottest app going today is a place called Clubhouse. I'm going to help you network more effectively. I'm going to give you a 30,000 foot view, and I'm going to give you all the hows to so that you can take advantage of this hot app on Clubhouse.
Awesome. We're excited to hear about that, Robert. And we have other presenters that couldn't be here this morning. We have 12 people going to share with you their expertise from Facebook, Instagram, podcasts, broadcasting, TikTok. Farah's going to share about TikTok all the way from Scotland, and Steve Brosman too. So please, please make the commitment. Whatever you're doing, just cancel it, because you have to be here on Friday, July the 9th. I'm going to pass it back to Kim, but thank you, people, for being here to serve the Grand Connection community.
Absolutely. So the yummiest way to get visibility, if you are an entrepreneur, is you cannot miss. You must be there at this event, Friday, July 9th, online, on Zoom from 11 a.m. Pacific, right, Carolyn? And we want you to register because we want to know that you're coming. We want to be able to share reminders with you to make sure that you absolutely will not miss this event. So Carolyn, how are people going to get registered and make sure that they can attend? Let's bring this home, girl.
Great. We're going to put the registration link in the bottom of this video, and you can go to grandconnection.ca events.
Awesome. So for all the marketing tips you're ever going to need for the snackable, tasty bits that are going to get your business off and running in 2021. If you couldn't figure out from the expert panel here today, plus all the extra people that we're going to have, this is the place to be. We look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, stay positive.